Alright guys, welcome to another vlog. We are cruising along. It's a Friday. Feels like a Saturday though because it's a public holiday. But we've just dropped off the 370Z after the track day you guys would have saw in yesterday's vlog. Got Russ with us now. Now Russ is trying to get himself an AU. Like, this AU thing is getting serious, you know? All the Falcons basically, because all the boys want to have a Falcon good time. All they do, right? Like, we all want to have a Falcon good time. So he's trying to find one, and the guy just wouldn't. It's funny, this guy just wouldn't respond to him. So I wrote the message and just been like, you know, we got the trailer, Russ has got the cash, like, do you want to sell it? Yeah, nah. Sooner, yeah, nah, worked, perfect. AU guys like responded. Being a dick, like trying to say someone else has offered him more money or whatever after Russ had already organised to pick it up on the Friday. It was just ironic that you messaged him, what, like 5 times? Yeah. Something like that, and then I wrote him a message with like, yeah, nah at the end, and in a Falcon dude's brain, like, oh, yeah, nah, yeah, nah, 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 yeah, 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 nah, 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 yeah, yeah. As soon as you're like, yeah, nah, or yeah, nah, nah, yeah, it was on. The guy's like, yeah, nah. That's pretty much what he did. Yeah. He went, yeah, nah, oh, I'm going to sell it to someone else who's going to give me more money. And then said the car's not even available to pick up. But what I didn't capture in yesterday's vlog is that, as you guys know, I am freaking awesome at reversing. And I reversed my trailer straight into a stump. To be fair, I even had people guiding me that didn't see it either. So
it stumped them.
It stumped everybody, including my tail light, which is absolutely destroyed. So we're heading to a auto parts store now. I'm going to grab myself like some new lights and stuff like that. And then on top of that, looks kind of closed.
No, they usually go roller door.
Oh, okay, sweet. So we're going into this store. We're going to get lights, and we're going to do a bit of a trailer reconditioning today. Probably should get. I'm going to get black spray cans while I'm in here and make my trailer real nice. And then hopefully Russ finds another AU to buy. He's already got a lead on another one that's actually responded.
Yeah. Pretty
far away and not expensive by any means, but expensive when you talk AUs. Like anything over $1,000 is a pretty pricey AU. We're gonna get onto Gumtree back at my house and have a good search and start hassling some people on the internet and get Russ an AU, hopefully in this vlog. Hopefully. Alright guys, I got myself a trailer repair kit. I've got some fresh black paint, I've got new corner lights, new tail lights, and I'll go and show you guys how bad I effed this up. So this side, I don't know who, oh no, this is the side I broke. Okay, so this is the side I broke real bad. So, yeah, somebody else did this, like this little bit here, like bent it in, and then I did that on that power box. So yeah, we're gonna get to fixing all of this up, changing lights over, getting new lights working. Fingers crossed I can do it. Like, Russ is inside if I need to call in help, but I'm gonna give this a red hot go. What's gonna happen? And my repair kit, my little snap-on rattle gun, 2 shifters to try and like straighten the bits of metal that I've bent, and then a hammer. I wish I had a bigger hammer, but it's a decent hammer. This is going to be interesting. I've gone and knocked on my neighbour that I care about's door, and they're not home, because if they were, they got a baby, so I didn't want to make a whole lot of noise. The neighbours on the other side, I couldn't care less about. Hopefully they're home and get annoyed. So yeah, let's get this going. So new tail light is in. I've done a lot of hammering and bending and general stuff. It isn't a plug and play situation. I need to do some joining of this to that, and it's starting to look hard, so I'm going to handball it off hopefully to Russ, because this is the bit where I get really stressed out because wiring just scares the crap out of me. And I don't know, for some reason when I look at this, it's like connected to my Raptor, and my Raptor will catch on fire if I do it. So I don't want to do it because it will. I'll blow fuses in the Raptor if I do it. Even if I disconnect it, the 12 volt will go through the trailer and blow up my Raptor.
Oh my god.
It's a true story.
Special.
Yes.
What happens if your
What are you
trailer's
doing,
not on your car?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Dad.
Chilling.
Yeah, well, I came out to tell you
Dad.
that I need to go to the supermarket.
Well, why don't you go?
'Cause I
You're
got
like one of the kids
distracted.
asking for something. You're like, because I want to go to the supermarket.
I got
What do you want?
distracted. And
What if the trailer's not on the car? How will it blow up then?
Have you seen Daddy wire stuff before?
it'll find a way to blow up, just like COVID got all those sailors out in the middle of the ocean.
I don't know.
Magic.
Woo! Yeah, Russ. Yeah, Russ. Russ. Yeah, Russ. Right. We're pretty much there. Russ is just doing the electrical taping everything up. And Princey came over. That's why his little nuggets here with my nuggets. And he's found a bunch of wires at the front of my trailer, which are also quite shitty.
Making messes.
And then Scarlett and Boston are fighting over kinetic sand. Scarlett, share with your brother.
He is making a mess.
You always make messes, hey? Oh, what are we looking at? Alright, let me have a look. What have you found, Princey?
I found Tibetan Mastiffs.
Yeah, it looks like you, eh? no offense to you, but they look the same.
These are dead set my favourite dogs. And not many people realise that they're Tibetan Mastiffs. Yeah.
It's about the same size as you too, Princey.
Yeah, it is.
What are you doing, Luke?
Fuck do I know? Look, genuinely have no idea. I'm just... Oh, what happened? What's wrong, Princey?
You fucking broke me.
That's not even a cutter, that is a crimping bit, isn't it?
No.
This bit's the cutter. Oh god, that was
Oh,
sick.
there's a wire cutter. Oh, go watch TV. Tell Scarlett to turn it on.
Scar, get some TV on.
One of these ones here. Do that to there. Get another one and fucking yeah, fucking righto. So you reckon do a side at a time?
Yeah. Crimp one side first.
Should I use the crimping bit this time, you reckon?
Yeah, use the crimping bit. It's got a blue dot to help you.
I'm using the red one. I did. I used the red one. Look.
Now, if I was doing it, I'd
You're not doing it, Russ. I am. Wouldn't I?
I'd put the other double ender on the other side as well.
What do you even know about double enders, Russ? Oh, I need another one of these.
We don't have any more.
You're gonna have to use an open
No,
ender
I'll
and
straighten these up. There we go.
you can just use a bullet.
Is that what you used to call your flashlight, Lindsay? Bullet? I don't know.
I was about to say is.
I've been trying to film, dickhead. Wanker. God, no respect. I'm gonna go start the beams.
Let me drift it.
No, so I didn't say I want it crashed.
I've only crashed every car of yours I've driven.
This is a true story
I didn't crash the BT50.
that I know.
Nah, I didn't like driving it.
Huh?
I didn't like driving it.
Why?
Just in case I crashed it.
I remember
Crashed
when,
everything else.
I remember when
Do you need a hand?
I remember when you, yeah, I do. I remember when you took this trailer and you were fucking peeking the whole time.
Yep.
Thought you were going to do a Russ.
Did I? Yeah, I didn't do anything but.
Don't cut.
That's my finger, you.
Those little funny hairs are annoying, eh?
Yeah.
No, it's just curled up inside.
There's no hair around the hole. I can't
There is hair around it.
It keeps curling up. Why is it doing that?
Need a tighter twist.
This stuff's annoying.
Cut it off.
Waiting for this for my last remark.
So was I.
Look how good his right hand goes.
Fuck you, cunt.
There's Jen. Say hi to your work colleagues, Jen.
Hi to everyone that works with Jen.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, my name's Jen.
Huh?
Hi, my name's Jen.
If I had a bigger
Chan.
package, you'd see it.
Jen.
Jenny. Alright, so my lights are all done. You can see that. You did film me wiring it, didn't you? Yeah. So.
I want to point something out on camera.
What?
Just so it does your head in. It's crooked.
Yeah. Oh, no, I saw that.
Oh, you did?
I didn't drill those.
Oh.
It was like that since I got it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If I did it, I would be upset. But no, I didn't drill those holes, and yeah. Other than that, you reckon more of my trailer, Russ? That's good paint. That's really good paint. That's good paint. Jen, your work colleagues are watching this, and this is your influence child.
I didn't do anything.
Oh, you were just like, oh, do it like that.
No, I was just telling him to spray.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What have you been doing that does that?
Sorry for the parents that are watching this at home with their kids, and you now have to explain that. Hi, kids. Right, but lights are all done. Really happy with it. Obviously, these are, I don't know, they're kind of cool looking lights. Now we are going into the painting it phase. We didn't wash the trailer at all. It's still absolutely filthy, and we're starting to paint it.
Prince is not as good at shaking since I got him a message. Oh, what was that?
Just the first spray, I suppose.
So we done painted half the trailer. So obviously you need 4 tins, as Russ pointed out, to paint a trailer. So yeah, this is
2 tins worth. And that's earlier, better. Earlier, better.
Oh well, anyway, that's the trailer fix. Now let's get on to fun stuff. I don't know what it is though. Alright guys, on to day 2 of this vlog. We are down on the Gold Coast now. Well, near the Gold Coast anyway. We're at a place called Southern Cross Fabrications, and they've been apparently a good go-to people for rock sliders on the Raptor. So today we're finally getting the rock sliders installed, which I'm pretty amped about. But while I'm here, I just wanted to have a look at this thing. It's a Unimog. It's like ultimate off-road. God, I'd love to wheel a Unimog. They're just so rad. But yeah, we're here getting rock sliders done. I'm been wanting them forever. I ordered them about 8 weeks ago, but obviously due to all the COVID stimulus, these guys have been like insanely busy. So yeah, it's been a long wait, but finally here. So I'll go have a look and get rid of the old side steps. Probably going to be a bit harder for the kids to get in and out of the car, but they can deal with that. Yeah, side steps are going, rock sliders coming on. I got the fatter ones to try and protect the tank, but yeah, all good. My Raptor's broken. No rock sliders, no sliders at all anymore. Well, they're not sliders, sorry, no side steps. The old side steps are going to get hand me down to Princey, and soon we'll see some rock sliders on this. And then the other question will be, is
my side steps. How are you going to be able to get in now? Do you want to try? See if you can get in?
Yeah.
You're going to be able to get in? Go try. It's a big step now.
Yay!
Do you think Boston's going to be able to get in though?
Nope.
No, I don't think Boston will be able to get in.
You two, you and Mummy will have to do it.
Have to help him? Okay.
One of you will have to get him in. One of you will have to put a seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the scary.
Oh, they're hard to see. Alright guys, finally got rock sliders on the Raptor. I think we may go out and test it today. We'll see how things go. There's a bunch of guys going out wheeling that have invited me out, so I very well might go out and test these. Old sliders are in the back, or the old sliders, the old steps are in the back, ready to drop off at Princey's, because I don't want them anymore. And yeah, I'm stoked, man. Like, just the ability to go wheeling and not be scared I'm gonna wreck the car, which, I don't know, any of you guys into wheeling will know that you don't want that. So yeah, what's next for the Raptor? I reckon I need 35s. 35s, front bar, a winch, and then a lift in the front only. So
That was like one of my favourite things.
all right, we have made it to where wifey is. She's already complaining about the rock sliders. She liked the side steps on the Raptor because they were good to stand on or whatever.
I miss the steps. That was one of my favourite things about the car. If you look back at the 10
Yeah.
things we like and hate,
Yeah,
That was like-
you liked the steps a lot.
yeah, it was like second to the seats.
Yeah, but I like not bending the car, so
Look, I too like that.
yeah. All right, what do you got?
Lynn posted some merch today. Something in our little PO box.
Oh, sick. We do have a PO box, guys, if you ever feel the need to send us something, which is really cool when it does happen. It's in the description down below, but yeah, we got a PO box, so if you do feel like sending us something, that's rad, because I don't know, I like surprises. She doesn't like surprises. I love surprises.
I like surprises when I don't know that they're coming.
Oh, you
When they're
don't
just
like
a
it when it's a
surprise.
surprise you know is coming, because then you get anxiety about it or
Yeah,
something.
because I just want to know. This is from Jacob Woolley. Fun fact though, the lady at the post office, she's like, at least it's not beer this time.
Oh, because it was broken, that bottle.
Yeah, we're regulars at the post office.
3 hours later.
That one wasn't even bad.
Yeah. All right, what do you got? What is it? Oh, that's sick.
I've been trying to find this one.
That is sick.
The only place I found it is someone that was selling it in a set and I didn't want any of the other cars.
That's so rad.
That's sick.
How much dish there is.
So good. It's like a time attack car.
That's
Yeah.
sick. What's that one?
R30.
Oh, it's another 30. Oh.
Get beeped.
What? You look very excited. Oh, that's 32 GTR.
So I found one of those
Yeah.
and I want to buy it. $70.
$70.
Yep.
Yeah, that's silly. That is so rad. I love that it's got the signage on the side.
Oh,
This is the sickest.
should have
Oh, it's all 31s.
30.
30, sorry. And who is this from?
Jacob Woolley.
Jacob Woolley,
From
dude. You're a
WA.
legend.
They are so cool. I am so stoked on those. It is beyond ridiculous.
And you barely see responses from Tiana, so
That's it.
that's so sick.
Can we get those wheels?
For what?
I don't know. Something.
Man, this is rad, guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna wrap this vlog up here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, grab some merch, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Make sure you watch. If you're into four-wheel driving, make sure you watch tomorrow's vlog.
And I like
because,
Hot Wheels cars.
I'm gonna go test the rock sliders out.
Great.